Where did American system of government come from? Did it all start with the framers of the Constitution? Then where did it all start? It all started with the early English colonists. When the settlers came here to the new country, they brought with them the knowledge of an existing political system. This political system had established laws, practices, customs, and institutions. The settlers also brought with them the idea of a limited and representative government. You see, before the settlers left England, they had a government that was restricted or limited in what they could do. Their government was in place to serve or represent the will of the people. These notions of limited government and representative government can be traced back to landmark documents in English history. Let's go back to the year 1215, and we are all barons under the rule of King John. King John is not doing a very good job. He is taxing us heavily and abusing his power. Yesterday, King John took away Sir William's land for no reason. Sir William and his family are now homeless and starving. King John does not know it, but we are getting together to write a petition to limit his power. We came up with the Magna Carta. This document limits the king's powers, so we have protection against the arbitrary taking of life, liberty, or property. The Magna Carta states no cruel and unusual punishment, and we are now entitled to a trial by jury. King John was not happy about having his powers limited, so we threatened to cut off his head until he signed the Magna Carta. Now we will travel 400 years forward to the year 1628. We are now barons under the rule of King Charles I. King Charles is torturing his prisoners for days or weeks before he executes them, and we are not happy about this. We tell Parliament about the situation under the rule of King Charles. Parliament has come up with the Petition of Rights. The Petition of Rights states no more torturing and no more excessive fines. King Charles is not happy about this because the document, the Petition of Rights, is limiting his power over his barons. We will now travel to the year 1688. This is the year Parliament offered the crown to William and Mary of Orange. The year before, in 1687, Parliament decided once again to limit the powers of a monarchy, so they came up with the English Bill of Rights. The English Bill of Rights states people have the right to bear arms and the right to petition the government. Since William and Mary of Orange were being appointed to the crown, they were more than happy to sign the English Bill of Rights. Let's travel to the year of 1791 and the signing of our Bill of Rights. America's Bill of Rights states, we have a limited and representative government, people have the privilege of a trial by jury, government can no longer torture their prisoners, and government can no longer give excessive fines. The American Bill of Rights also states that people have the right to bear arms and the right to petition. Yes, the four documents have something in common. So I will ask you once again, where did we get our system of government from? Yes! From the landmarked English documents. So let's recap. Limited government means a government bound by laws. A representative government means government that serves the will of the people. The Magna Carta states no cruel and unusual punishment and the privilege of trial by jury. The Petition of Rights states no more torturing and no more excessive fines. The English Bill of Rights states people have the right to bear arms and the right to petition. And our Bill of Rights gives us these privileges and many more.